Since there has been COVID-19 cases increasing day by day, lockdown had to be announced. Everyone was supposed to stay at home and work from home, unlike the maids, delivery guys, newspaper vendors, etc. Outsiders were prohibited from entering any societies or standalone buildings due to lockdown. After few months, the unlock started and people started taking precautions, and some societies allowed the outsiders to enter the building. Maids wore masks and hand gloves to work, and delivery guys and newspaper vendors had their temperature checked by the infrared thermometers, but social distancing was violated, which increased the risk of meeting outsiders. Let's understand this with an example. Here comes the delivery guy to deliver the courier, but unfortunately, he coughs, and the germs may pass through him to the house owner via parcel. Now, the pre existing germs transferred by the delivery guy that are present on the doorbell may infect the maid when she touches the doorbell. Sounds exciting? Take a look at its demo and see how it works. The green and the red light will alert the person scanning the temperature whether is that person safe to interact with anyone.